getting ready to go take the battery out of a lawnmower, and it's all the way on the other side of the yard, and I don't want to grab all my wrenches. I don't want to take all these with me, so the logical thing to do is to grab this, and you want an extension, put that on there, and you'll find one of these suckers. Some people like them, some people don't. They come in handy, and there's their time for them, and there's not. All right, there she is. Gotta get this battery out. Guess I need all these now. There we go. That's what I want. Time to do the battery. Just grab a handful of wrenches. Can't take a shortcut on this. All right. Huh, got lucky there. That's the impractical way to get a battery out.